Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to set the best settings to fix lag in Minecraft on PC. Okay, first things first, consider installing OptiFine, which is a mod for Minecraft designed to improve performance. To get OptiFine, visit the official website optifine.net and download the latest version of OptiFine from the website. Once downloaded, just run the installation program. After installing OptiFine, launch Minecraft. In the video settings, change the graphics option to fast and disable smooth lighting. Adjust the render distance and simulation distance to 5 or 6 for better performance. Set the max frame rate to 140 to 150 frames. Enable also view bobbing and scroll down in the video settings and set particles to decreased, entity shadows to off, and clouds to off. Keep full screen mode enabled also. With these settings and OptiFine installed, you likely notice improved performance in Minecraft, with reduced lag and stuttering issues. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now set the best settings to fix lag in Minecraft on PC. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.